Beautiful spring day here in New Jersey. Fluke's been open for about a week now, so this is our first trip out really to try and target them.
You know,
Water is extremely cold right now, so the fish are pretty lethargic. So just using top and bottom rigs with minnows,
you know the rule with
small
kids,
gulp,
like,
quarter ounce to half ounce bucktails, and just really trying to keep the bait slow moving to match the speed of the fish. Ended up with 6 fish throughout the day that were keeper size, so it was a nice first trip out.
On the floater. Keeper? I will, because I don't want to snag it. Fish number 1, boys.
Yeah? It's a flatty. No, it's not.
Look, it ain't. We're allowed to keep little fish now.
Yeah. Thanks, sir.
Allowed to keep what? 17. That ain't no 17. That's 15. Is that top bottom or jigging?
Top bottom. Score 1 for the rig at the shop. Just
which is good. You might be right around that 17. Oh, that looked like a fish. There it is.
nope. It's a small fish, but nice fight though. Nicely done, Shane.
I got my goddamn minnow still.
Got one, Shane? That's a fish, Shane. There you go, Leo. No shit, Shane.
I don't know where you're lying. I'm on the other side of you. Good.
Never pull the head out.
Yeah.
It's all wrapped around your rod.
It's okay. Take your time. We're not going anywhere, Shane. It's all good. I got the net. Fish ain't going nowhere. That's good. They're going to be on the other side of it.
Oh, give me that net.
You got it. Take your time. It's no big deal. That's a nice keeper. Did you get that one? That's a nice one. That's 20-inch fish.
You know how muddy they are. You're right. That one's just as muddy as yours.
That's because they're just buried in the mud right now. Leo, that's a 20-inch fish.
I'll probably go 18.
Another one on a super shitty buck.
Nice job, Leo. At least 2 or 3 fish there, because you had to bite. I caught mine, and Leo caught his.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the one I probably.
Nope. Thought so too. It looked like it, didn't it? There you go, Shane. Easy, Shane. Shane, what are you doing? It's not a tuna.
That thing took off.
Right to me. Reel. Reel, reel, reel.
That'll keep.
That'll keep.
That thing just took off. I was like, oh shit.
See what I mean by what I meant by they swim? There's your over.
These fish fight so good in the back bay water with it only
That's
being
his
about
over.
6 to 8 feet deep. They have nowhere to go but to the sides, and they really do just take off.
Weeds.
Joe. Oh, you're good. Oh.
Oh, there's a fish
Oh,
there.
there's a bunch of fish here. Hold on.
Here, there's a fish on there. Here, the next one right behind.
No, I don't need a net. It's short. Yeah.
Drag so you
Nah.
get big ones, you're fucked.
You know what they're eating? Tons and tons of shrimp, dude.
Yeah, I thought I just got drilled. God damn it.
Did you?
Yeah,
You want to toss me up a minnow? Bye bye, little buddy. I swear the light rod went with the top and bottom rig just works better. I don't know why.
More action, maybe?
I feel like it just lets it loads up better, you know what I'm saying? Like that.
Look, it is short drifting.
Yep. Short. You're good, Shane.
I'm gonna have to switch this top bottom and just stand here.
That's all you gotta do.
I only got one.
Bye, buddy.
There was a handful of fishing back here for a while too. The Irish jig still operating?
Yeah, all 8 of them.
Huh?
All 8 of them.
8 of them?
Yeah, there's like, everybody names that boat.
Yeah, every Irish guy.
Oh, I'm gonna name it the Irish Jig. How original.
Starters, yeah.
Rah, 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 rah.
Yeah, I worked with a guy who bought a new boat. Irish jig. That was his name.
See? Oh, there we go.
That's a skate.
No, it ain't. What you're it's pretty flat.
Holy.
That's gonna keep.
Head first.
Ready, Shane?
Fuck it up. Might be first keeper.
I still think he's short.
We'll find out.
Dirty though.
Thank you, Shane.
It's either short or.
Got word of a couple truckloads of reef balls on their way to New Jersey will be placed soon at the Little Egg Garden State. Yeah, I know. It's what you sent me.
There we go. That's a. You guys got a net?
Yeah, he's got one. It's a giant. Look at it go, man. It's a full drag. Joe, you need help? Shane's busy, text.
Nah. I'm busy trying to put fish in our cooler today. That's 17.